At a time when calls for social justice and police reform have echoed throughout the nation, more than a dozen signatures by New Hampshire's Law Enforcement Accountability Commission signified a unanimous call to action.
I think that we certainly have understood needs to address certain areas, and this gave us the opportunity.
The Attorney General's office is just one arm of the collective who's been tasked with amending the checks and balances within New Hampshire's justice system. After more than 2 months of collaboration, the committee penned 48 recommendations, all of which were approved by Governor Sununu.
We want to make sure that when law enforcement is having interactions with our community members, that it's, a positive one, and that nothing bad happens, right? That's what we're looking for.
Joseph says one promising recommendation is the creation of an independent agency to investigate incidents of officer misconduct. Currently, an arbiter can overrule a chief's decision to fire an officer, as is the case with Aaron Brown, who was fired in 2018 from Manchester PD for making racist comments. An arbiter ruled Brown should be reinstated with back pay.
There's been this narrative and this view of law enforcement investigating itself and then telling the public, well, we looked at this, it's not sustained. This allegation is not sustained, or the officer was justified for his actions. We've heard this so much, and now this new agency, granted, it will be made up of law enforcement personnel, but it's independent. It's not connected to any agencies.
Previously, the AG's office did not have the authority to conduct its own investigation of a police department unless a formal complaint was made.
Under one of the recommendations, the thought was that you could have random audits to see if there is something in a personnel file, that perhaps there was an officer who committed a criminal act or did something improper that wasn't brought to light for whatever reason, whether that was a nefarious reason or just somebody that didn't understand that they should have brought that to light.
Additionally, there will be increased hours of curriculum on implicit bias training for all New Hampshire law enforcement agencies, which advocates say hasn't been updated in decades.
PSTC is going to be increasing their cultural dynamics and diversity curriculum to more than 2 hours. So as it sits right now, it's only 2 hours long, and you cannot sum up the entire culture of Black people or people of color in 2 hours worth of training. That's just not possible.